Hi guys, let's use the rules of Sarus to solve the determinant. Okay, then firstly, since the question is given as 3 by 3 matrix, then you can remove the bracket and put the number in place. 1 2 3 2 1 1 3 3 2. Then the next thing to do, we are going to replace the first two columns. That is, we are going to add the first two columns into the question. So we are going to have 1 2 3 2 1 1. That is system of finding determinant using the rule of Sarrus. Okay, then you can put the arrow facing down, facing down, facing down. Then you can again put the arrow facing off. Then once you put the arrow, you have to observe these two numbers must be outside without arrow. Then the arrow that going down is multiply. Once you multiply, then you can add. You add those arrow that going down. Those arrow that going off, if you multiply, you are going to subtract. Then now you are going to have 1 times 1 1, 1 times 2, this is 2, this is equals to 2. Then we have 2 times 3 6, 6 times 3 18. We have to say plus 18. 3 times 2 6, 3 times 1 6 plus 6. Then minus those number that going off, we subtract after the multiplication. We have 3 times 1 3, 3 times 3, then we have 9. 1 times 3 3, 3 times 1 3, we subtract. Then have 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, we subtract 8. Then the next step, we're going to add 2 plus 18 plus 6. This is equals to determinant of b is equals to 26. 26, then minus 9 minus 3 minus 8. We have minus 20. Then lastly, you can add 26 minus 20. Answer is 6. Therefore, the determinant of matrix B is equals to 6. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more videos.